Shalom, giving all praise and glory unto Yahweh Hashem Yahshai Hashem HaChodesh. Double honors to the elders and apostles of the great millstone of all, and shalom to you, Archimate, pushing this word around the globe in faith and in truth and sincerity. As always, I'd like to say we are the real Hebrew Israelites, you so-called Negroes, Latinos, Hispanics, Native Americans, West Indians and West Africans predominantly. However, you are going to get Israelites that do look like the other 17 nations, because Israel has been scattered amongst all people throughout our various captivities. But if your seed line of your forefathers goes back to the man in the Bible named Jacob, then you too are an Israelite, no matter what you may look like, because the book of Numbers chapter 1 and verse 18 states that Israel has been scattered amongst all people throughout our various captivities. So here I am once again with the chariot video. Over here you can see the moon. Hello, Mr. Moon. Over here you can see one little light in the sky. That is a chariot of Israel. For those of you who don't know what the chariots of Israel are, the chariots of Israel are going to be the vehicle of salvation for the elect, which is 144,000 elect men, plus 1/3 of the nation of Israel. And they're also going to be the vehicles of destruction for Esau and his wicked society. It's just fading in and fading out there. Now, the interesting thing about this sighting is that I was just at the camp and I was about to enter the train station with one of the other brothers. I looked up and I saw a similar thing where you had one chariot in the distance and there were no other stars. We both discussed it and came to the conclusion that yes, indeed it was a chariot, because you have to believe in faith, believe through faith. But here again, I just exited the train station and I see one in the sky over here. So I believe through faith that it is indeed a chariot. Now, the chariots are written about in the book of Acts chapter 1 verse 7, Isaiah chapter 66 and verse 15, Zechariah 5 and 1, many examples of chariots throughout the scriptures. So lucky I don't have my sword in my hand, so I can't actually pull them up and quote them directly, but you know, the Lord's coming back. We're seeing the destruction of Esau's society, all these shops are shut, COVID vaccines is on the horizon. You know, it's looking like the end of this place is coming ever sooner than we could have imagined. So, you know, the scriptures say, lift up your heads, for your redemption draweth nigh. It's just a little quick video. Lord willing, it's edifying. Lord willing, I'll be back again to do another one shortly, when the Lord wills it. But giving all praise, honor and glory unto Yahweh Hashem Yahshai Hashem HaChodesh. Double honors to the elders and apostles of great millstone at Will, and shalom to Archim pushing this truth. Shalom for now.